Good morning everyone. This is our system. It's called Daily Task Manager and it will be presented by ex-Conde Christian Angelo, Formalejo Andre and Teng Dana Shirin.
Overview of the program and the problem it addresses. The Daily Task Manager program is designed to help users manage and track their personal and work-related tasks. Problem address. It addresses the need for a systematic way to organize, update, and track tasks, ensuring deadlines are met, and the status of tasks is updated and visible. Core functionality. Organizing tasks by type, personal or work. Performing CRUD, create, read, update, delete. Operation on tasks. Storing and managing tasks in a relational database. Classes. Task, abstract class. A blueprint for tasks with common properties like task ID, task name, task description, deadline, and status. Personal tasks and work tasks. Concrete implementations of tasks representing personal and work-related tasks respectively. Methods. Task class includes getter and setter methods for each property and an abstract method, display task info. Task manager class implement CRUD operations, insert tasks, display all tasks, update tasks, delete tasks, and handles user input. Database connection connects to my MySQL database using JDBC. Constructor. Task manager initializes the database connection and sets up the environment for CRUD operations. Database handling. JDBC is used to interact with MySQL database, allowing for tasks to be stored, updated, and deleted from the task table.
So, in this slide, you will see the task class constructor snippet code and the CRUD operation. The example of the insert task CRUD operations is create, read, and update and delete. Create, add new tasks to the database. Read, display all the tasks stored in the database. Update, modify task details, change status and deadlines. The delete, just remove the task from the database. Database instruction, system communicates with the MySQL database via JDBC using prepared statement and statement object. Objects creation. Objects of personal task and work tasks are created based on the user input or predefined data. These objects inherit the properties of the task class and implements the display task info method. The snippet code I provided is a predefined data. The method invocation, the display task info method is called to print task details, showcasing polymorphism through overriding.
Object creation. Objects of personal tasks and work tasks are created based on user input or predefined data. These objects inherit the properties of the task class and implement the display task info method. This is the example of personal tasks. Method invocation. Display task info method is called to print task details, showcasing polymorphism through overriding. Encapsulation. The use of private fields, task key, task name, etc., and public getter-setter methods ensure controlled access to object data. This prevents direct manipulation of data, ensuring data integrity. Inheritance. The personal task and work task classes inherit common properties and behavior from the task abstract class. Both classes override the display task info method to provide their specific implementations polymorphism. The method display task info is overridden in both personal task and work task classes. It allows the same method to behave differently based on the type of task, personal versus work. The insert task method is overloaded to accept different parameter combinations. This provides flexibility in handling task creation with varying levels of detail. CRUD operation. The program implements CRUD operation to manage tasks within a MySQL database. User input drives the interaction, allowing tasks to be added, viewed, modified, and deleted. Database connectivity. The program connects to a MySQL database using JDBC to persist task data. Prepared statements are used to securely interact with the database, preventing SQL injection.